What if I told you that there is a free tool inside YouTube Studio right now that could help you get monetized faster on YouTube? No ads, no viral shots, no guessing, just real data. All right, that's exactly what I used to create one video that now has over 200,000 views, and it helped me hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in just 4 weeks. All right, in this video I'm breaking down exact step that I took so that you can also do it. All right, when I started this channel, I was posting random videos with no focus, and my views were stuck at 50 views, sometimes 100 views on a good day. And I thought I was doing the right thing, but clearly YouTube wasn't picking it up at all. That's when I realized that I need to stop guessing and start using what the platform is actually showing me. Now let's head over to the YouTube Studio app. If you have the YouTube Studio app on your phone, you are good to go. But if you don't have it, you need to download one right now for this tutorial. Okay, so inside the YouTube Studio app, there is a powerful feature called Trends. Okay, you'll find it under the Analytics tab. This tool shows you exactly what your potential viewers are actively searching for on YouTube, and more importantly, what they are searching for in relation to your content. All right, but here is something you need to know. If your YouTube channel is still new or you haven't posted any videos at all on your channel, then this trend tab search will not be available to you right now. Why? Because the YouTube algorithm needs time to analyze your content, your keywords, and your audience behavior to figure out what your channel is about. Okay, so once you've uploaded a few videos in a specific niche, YouTube starts gathering information about your channel, and that's when the trend session becomes active. Or it begins to understand what your channel is about and starts showing you the exact topics people are searching for. This helps you create videos based on real interest and not just guesswork. Okay, so if you are not seeing this yet, don't worry. Just keep posting. Don't just post any random videos with no focus. Niche a specific content and YouTube will start connecting the dots. Right? It's not random trends. It's not viral challenges. It's personalized data based on who YouTube believes will enjoy your content. All right, and that's where the magic started for me. So YouTube shows you the exact video your audience is currently watching on other channels. Okay, it breaks it down into high interest, medium, and low interest based on what your viewers care about. All right, so I type in random few topics just to test, and I started with how to make Ghana jollof rice. Now I love jollof rice and I was tempted to make that video, but guess what? YouTube showed me that the search volume was very low for my audience. That means even if I make the best video ever, it probably won't get pushed by the YouTube algorithm. All right, and again I typed in how to get more views on YouTube. How to get more views on YouTube. Then I'll click on that. Yeah, now this one is showing me that my audience have high interest in it, and that was the green light for me. But hold on, that was not all. So I did something smart. I click on one of the top performing video around the topic, and I watch it from the beginning to the end. I didn't skip. I studied the structure, the title, the pacing, what point they emphasized. Okay, Then I jotted down the key takeaway, not to copy but understand what made the video work. Okay, after that I filmed my own version of the video, same topic, similar title, similar thumbnail, but with my voice, my story, and my own twist. Okay, that made it unique and still align with what viewers were actively searching for. So this particular video, I made sure that the keyword was in the title, the description, and the tags, and I said it naturally in the video. I also made a clean and bold thumbnail that matched with the topic. No clickbait, just clarity, and within few days the video started growing. That video went from 1K to 10K and over 100,000 views in just few weeks. It brought in hundreds of subscribers, over 4,000 watch hours, and it pushed me past my monetization requirement in just 4 weeks. But I didn't stop there. I made 3 more videos that were closely related to the same topic. And because YouTube already saw that my audience loved the first video, it started recommending the rest of my content too. Now here is the final and important step that I took. I stopped posting random videos and gave my channel a clear focus. Okay, I committed to one niche, YouTube growth strategies, and that changed everything. Because the moment you focus, the YouTube algorithm will understand your content better. Okay, so after doing that, YouTube started recommending my videos to the right audience, and the people who found my videos started subscribing because they knew what kind of content to expect next. Consistency in your niche is what turns casual viewers into loyal subscribers. Okay, so if you are serious about growing your channel, don't do everything on your channel, but instead pick one path and go all in. All right, so if you're struggling to grow on YouTube and you want to give up, please don't give up yet. Use the Trend tab on YouTube Studio app and let YouTube show you what your audience are searching for. Then add your own twist, tell your own story, and deliver real value. All right, so that is all for today. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe and comment below what your channel is about. I will reply and help you brainstorm your next winning video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.